Oh, ba't bakit ka, man? What's wrong with you, man?
Nagtampo kasi sa akin yung utol ko eh.
Bakit? Ano nangyari?
Nakalimutan ko kasi yung birthday niya.
Yun lang? Ano ka doon?
Masama? Masama doon? Twins kami. Twins!
Sir, overspeeding po tayo. Pasensya na ko pangalan na lang tsaka apelido. Sorry, I didn't speak your language. Can you say that in English? I mean, I need to get your full name, sir. Okay. My name is William Borges Aquafisk. Next time, be careful, don't do that again, okay?
Anong pangalan mo? Anong pangalan mo dyan? Ngayon. Ako daw yung narrator. Anong pangalan mo? Si Boy Patong. Siya po si Boy Patong. Mahilig po siya. Alam niyo na. Pumatong. At alam niyo po ba kung saan siya nagpagupit at nagpa-hairstyle? Sa the old spaghetti house, man. You know?
Ano ko parang pasta?
Pastang nasunog, man. Nasunog na pasta. At ngayon, darating na ang kanyang malupet. Napakalupet.
Tama.
Na tropa.
Lagyan na dito, bro.
Yeah, bro. What's up, bro?
Oh, I like your hair.
Yeah, come on.
That's cool, man. Cool. Cool lot.
Yeah, really cool. You know, this is really in, you know, somewhere out there. You know?
Yeah. It's somebody.
It's somebody. Oh, come on. I hate that name. Whoever called me that name, I will punch him in the face.
Yeah. See you at the concert, huh?
Yeah, concert.
Montour.
Oy. You know, you know. This is really hard work, man. Our job is a very tough job.
Yeah, I know.
We want to say hi to our fans. You know, my fans. There are 15 of them. You know, I just want to thank you for all the support you're giving me.
Hey, check this out.
Hala!
Hindi kita nakikita, pero nakikita.
Yeah! Hindi kita nakikita, pero nakasaan kita. May pa-vlog po kami, may pa-vlog. Ano pa-vlog mo? Ano pa-vlog mo?
Tatlag na natin ito.
Hindi. May show ka, di ba?
Ano yan show?
Every Sunday.
Tama na. Tama yan, tama.
Vlog mo yung show mo, pre.
Manood ka pala kayo lagi na. Everyone, just always watch out.
Yung po. May pasabaw, man.
Abangan nyo nga pala ako sa labas ng bahay ko. Yeah.
Ako naman, abangan nyo ako. Abangan nyo lang.
Siya si Boy Abang. Thank you. Check X.
Yeah, spark, and it's like gasoline. I start burning like a machine. My heart only runs on Supreme. So hot, give me your gasoline. Yeah, you set me on fire. You set me on fire. You set me on fire. Yeah, you set me on.
Hindi mo naman Amerikano.
Oh, sige, sige. Game?
Game.
Sorry, I don't speak in English. Sorry, I don't speak English.